Hi, this is Group 22, and our app is called My Health. I'm Addy, and I worked on the user interface of My Health. This is the home screen of My Health. It contains today's data. So it has five things, which are the calorie intake, the calories lost, the net calorie gain, glasses of water, and the stress level of the user. As of now, these values are hard coded, and this part hasn't been implemented. There are also two icons right here. So this leads to the user profile activity where the user has to manually input all of their information. So let's just create a test user. Test user, email, age 20, and current weight. So let's just save this. And as you can see, you have successfully saved your test user. There is also a information icon where it contains all the links related to our project. So this is a link to our GitHub. Similarly, we also have the links for the idea pitch and show and tell part one. This is the calorie checker. Here, the user inputs the amount of calories they have gained or lost. There are three icons right here. The fast food icon, which is the calorie entry, the user icon, which is the manual entry, and the laptop icon, which is the automatic entry. If the user presses the fast food icon, then it takes us to an activity where the user has to manually type out the food item they have eaten and the amount of calories they have consumed. So let's say I ate a donut of, of about 100 calories. And that's how you save the calorie entry. If the user presses the user icon, then it takes us to an activity where the user has to manually input the activity they have performed and the relevant details of that activity. So let's say I ran for about 60 minutes and I lost 100 calories and with a heart rate of 100 BPM. And this is how the user manually inputs the amount of calories they have lost. If the user presses the laptop icon, then it's the automatic entry, and I have yet to implement this part. This is the stress checker. Here, there are a set of 10 questions where the user has to manually input their answers on the scale of 0 to 10. So this is a slider, so the user can simply slide their values or just tap on the slider. Let's just give random values for the stress checker. Here there are two buttons. One is for saving and this other is for the reset. So if we save it, it saves the stress value of the user, which is the sum of all the 10 answers, and it sets all the sliders to the default number. The reset button also sets all the sliders to the default number. There is also a bar chart icon where the user can see the different stress values they have had over a period of time. This part is yet to be implemented. This part is all about drinking water. Whenever the user drinks a glass of water, they have to simply click this button. This button saves the time of when the user drank the glass of water. There is also a glass icon which takes the user to an activity where they can view the different times of when they drank a glass of water. This part is yet to be implemented. So for the user interface, I will work on implementing an activity for the automatic entry. I will work on making an activity for analyzing the different stress values of a user and an activity where the user can view the different times of when they drank water. Other than that, I will continue to work on the user interface of my health.
So far, we also have implemented our database. As you can see here, the files. Our next tasks are to complete the backend and fix the existing bugs and complete the whole app. Thank you.